Okay, hi friends, I am here to teach you the 6th class first lesson reading and making of the map. This was very simple. When I will teach you, you will study very good such a way. I will teach you and I will guide you. First of all, before going to read and making of the maps, we have to know what is the map actually. You know that the map is then derived from the Latin word. What is the map? Which was derived from the Latin word. What is that word? Mapo. It's known as the mapo. Latin word నుంచి వచ్చిన word ఏంటిది? Mapo. What the spelling of the mapo? M-A-P-P-O. Mapo. Okay? Is it clear? Yes, mapo. Map is derived from one of the Latin word is known as the mapo. Mapo means any napkin. Okay, is this clear? Mapo means one of the napkin, or it means a napkin. Okay, right. This maps where there was represented. You know, the map is represented the true earth surface area. The map is represented true earth surface area. Okay, then these maps are drawn on any surface area which was plain. Like example, we can see a paper, or we can draw on the paper. These maps are drawn on the paper, and we can draw on the board any clear surface area. We can draw or we can represent any place of the map. Is it clear? I hope it was very clear to this. And we will study, okay, Philemation map maker. Philemation map maker Gerontius Marcus. He is the first who made the map, and he is the first who made the atlas. What is an atlas? Some of you know, you have buy some atlas books. You may have, some of you are having at the atlas books. Atlas means some maps or presented in one of the book, and total that maps were there in one book, or they are at one book. We will call it as, that book is known as the atlas. This atlas book first made by the Gerontius Marcus. Gerontius Marcus was the first made this atlas book. Is it clear? I hope it was very clear. Next we will see the first person using of this map, Babylonians. The first map used by the Babylonians. These Babylonians were used before 2600 years ago. They have used these maps. Okay, to know some these places and etc. things, they have used these maps. They are the first users of the map, right? Okay, why these Babylonians was make the maps? To represent their areas and to locate their places and analyze their places, they have made the maps. Now we are very lucky to know the technology was increases. We are having our mobile phones and we can see where the place where we are and where we have to move. That places we are seeing right now. Yes, it was clear. It was very easy prior to olden times to now. For example, now we are having ACs, air conditioners or fans, coolers, etc. But before that, we may not have this type of things. Just we are having that handmade fans, which was used for the king's time. We are having that handmade fans. Later we are developed into the table fans. We have maintained some table fans, that etc. things we have maintained. Later what happened, we are making some ceiling fans. After that we have made some coolers. After that we have converted into ACs. We are slowly we are developing our technology such a easy way, and it was to be maintain our lifestyle very easily. Yes, now the maps are also became like that. Before that they had drawn on this rocks, etc. things. After that they have drawn on the papers. After that they have came to one of they are making some atlas type books. After that they are making, now the maps are came into our mobile phones. They have came into computer. Later they have came into mobile phones. Okay, like this maps or also increases their technology, and they are making easy way to locate the places or analyze what is there, what not there, to know their area. The maps are using very useful way. Okay, we know that. Next, If someone want to study or someone want to draw the maps, how you will draw? If I told to draw some of you to draw the Indian maps, for example, you will draw some in your class. Suppose 40 numbers are there. Some 20 to 10 numbers who are drawing very good, but rest of the students will draw. You are making triangles, rectangles, everything. You will make it not looks like a map. To study on this particular map things, there is one who will study this particular cartography is the who makes the maps. Cartography and evolve who makes these maps. Cartography this make the map, right? Next, there is the one of the study. If you want to study about the maps, you can study cartography. Okay, cartography is an Latin word. Cartography. What is cata? Cato means map. Okay, cato means map. Graphy means drawing. Graphy means drawing. Is it clear? This is. Now we will see the different types of the map. Why the map? Map is an one. What are the differences between? For example, let me explain you one example. You will carry your bag. Yes, for coming to the school. For coming to the school, you will carry bag and your stationery items like pencil, scale, eraser, pens or something, black pen, blue pen, this type of stationery items you will carry in your compact bags. And next you will carry your lunch bags, which was carrying water and your lunch. Okay, this is these three types of things you are bringing to the school, and your teachers will give time for eating the lunch, and they will order you to open the pen or the book which was their books in your bag. If you are carrying this different box, you can easily identify them. Is it clear? Suppose if you are not carrying this three box, instead of that you have put this all books in your bag and all pens in your only one bag, and you have put your lunch box in the same bag. Then what happens? You will take time to open this to open your, suppose teacher ordered to or teacher requested to open your pen and write something which was explained now. Then you may take the pen, instead of taking you are searching in the bag, instead of that pencil you will take the pen, instead of the pen you will take the pencil. So it was to make easiest way, they are packed. Compact box is separate for the pencils, and bag is separate for the books, and a lunch bag is different from this books which was carries the lunch. Okay, there are the three different items you are bringing to the school. Then like that only, in this also there are some three types of differences in the map. There are the different types of the maps. First one we will see physical maps. What are the physical maps? Physical maps are the maps which shows the continents, oceans, these types of things are the area they are showed in the physical maps. Example, mountains, they are the natural features of the physical maps, or the mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans. They are the natural features. Yes, you know the natural features, those are mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers and oceans. To identify this easiest way in the map, you can see these mountains are in the brown color. Okay, suppose the rivers or oceans in the blue color. To identify in the easiest way, they will give and they will represent some colors on this physical maps. Okay, this is about the physical map. Now second one, coming to the political map. Political map means, for example, my beside one political map is is you can see on the screen. Yes, that is the political map. You can see there are the plenty of in Indian map we can see many things like countries. We can see the states and we can see the boundaries. We can see the you can see the capitals. Everything in this that. Okay. So like this, everything will be maintained in the political map. There are so many examples. There are Telangana boundaries, Andhra Pradesh boundaries. They are all looking in the political map. It is about the political map. Next we will see thermatical maps. What is this map? This maps represents the rainfall. How in the what the states where the rainfall is high, whether the low, or the type of the population is high. In the other countries population is high, low. This type of things is to explain this type of maps. Okay, this was about the different types of the maps. In the next class, we will study more information regarding reading and making of the maps. Thank you for video watching. Please like, share, comment.